Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another video. This is a continuation of my previous videos. I'm going to be showing you how I plucked and curled this hair. So if you want to see how I achieved this, then please keep on watching. These are all the products I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be listing them in the description box below. So I'm going to start off by cutting the wig cap underneath the lace closure, then I'll start with my plucking. So a detailed video to how this wig was constructed is on my YouTube channel, and I'm also going to link it on this video somewhere and also in the description box. Please go check it out so that you have a grasp of what we've done so far, okay? So this is how the hair looks like before plucking, and I'm going to show you how it looks like after I have done the first part of plucking. I'm just going to make sure that I pluck one place at a time, or at most 2 plucks at a time, because I don't want to pluck too much at a particular section. Plucking multiple times at a section is going to make your hairline look bald, and we do not want that. So we are going to be plucking 1 or 2 times at most at a particular section. And you also see me pushing down the hair with my hand because I'm using that as a support system to help the hairline lay flat so that I can pluck well. After we've done a couple of plucks, we're just going to take our comb and we just comb through our hair to take out the falling out hair. Do not be scared because it's normal for the hair to come out once you're done plucking. Once we are satisfied with the plucking of the hairline, we are going to be taking out several sections and continue with the same process to make sure that the hairline is okay to our satisfaction. A little disclaimer, I am not a professional hairstylist. This is how I do my hair and my DIY wigs, and a friend of mine liked this, so she gave me her hair to work on it. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's enjoy the video. One trick I developed is once I parted my hair and I noticed that there were flyaways, I sprayed a bit of water on the hair to make them lie down so that I'll be able to pass or pluck it. So that's how you saw me using a spray bottle containing water. So I am done with my plucking, and I noticed that the right side of my hair is a little bit unplugged compared to the left side. So I'm going to do a little bit of plucking in addition to it to make sure that the hairline is even. Okay, I think I'm satisfied with my hairline. I'm going to apply a bit of hair serum to it, massage it very well into the hair, then also apply some heat protectant because I'm going to be using heat to curl the hair, and I don't want the heat to damage my hair. I'll be using my blow dryer to blow dry my products into my hair, comb it out, then I'll start with my curling process. Before I start with the curling process of the whole hair, I'm going to be prepping the front part of my hair, and I'm doing that with a wax stick and also my hot comb. Then I'll create a C-part section, make sure that the front of my hair is looking all snatched before I start with the curling of the hair. This is my first time trying plucking on any hair, and I think I did well. What do you think? Please let me know in the comment section if I did great, and please give me a thumbs up for that. I'm done with the front, and this is how the hairline and the hair looks like. So on to the curling process. I'm going to be sectioning my hair in bits, then do the curling with my curling wand. So please enjoy the video, and I think this curling process is self-explanatory, so you'll be able to understand. I'm going to take this opportunity to say thank you all so much for your support. We have finally hit 1K, guys, and I can't be grateful enough for your support, your love, and your comments and everything you do for me. Please continue to show me your love and your support by subscribing, liking, telling me in the comment section what next video you would like me to post, and also encourage me to do better on my channel. So on this note, if you haven't subscribed, liked this video, commented on the video, what are you waiting for? Please, let me give you a minute. Subscribe, hit on that button. Hit on the subscribe button, okay? And show me some love. So we are finally at the end of this video. This is my last section. So what I do is I section the hair, curl the hair around my curling wand. Let it stay heated for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I hold it in my palm for it to cool down a bit. Apply some holding spray onto it. Then clip it down. I'm going to be applying some holding spray and some sheen spray to give the hair a little bit of shine, then wrap the hair up for my clients. Thank you all so much for watching. Please show some love if you really enjoyed this video. So until we meet in our next video, bye.